Here are the natural ways to keep spiders away from home. By Fast Pest Control. Every homeowner wants to keep a pest-free home. They are one of the creepy pests found in every home. Spiders destroy the look of your home and can cause many health issues too. You will even sense some bad odor when spider webs are found at home. Many homeowners use chemicals to get rid of these nasty creatures, which can be dangerous to your pets and kids. Professionals highly advise using natural methods to remove spiders present in your home. There are many home remedies through which you can remove these spiders from your place. Home remedies for spider removal: white vinegar, peppermint oil, borax powder, garlic, eucalyptus tree, citrus. White vinegar. It is one of the most effective natural methods when you get down for spider control services. To apply vinegar solution, all you have to do is take some vinegar and water in a spray bottle and mix it well. Later spray it directly on the walls which have cracks. Make sure you spray the vinegar almost every day when it is summertime so that there is no chance of spiders making your home as theirs. Peppermint oil. Spiders hate the smell of peppermint, and this is the reason why they stay away from the places wherever they find peppermint oil odor. You can fill the peppermint oil in a spray bottle and then spray it all over all the places wherever you find spiders. Another method to use peppermint oil is to add it in a cotton ball and place it in spider-prone areas. Borax powder. Get some borax powder from the store and sprinkle it on the places from where these spiders are making their way to your home. You can sprinkle it between your windows as well, because usually, these spiders come to your place from that place. Garlic. You can take some fresh garlic and crush it. Later add some water and pour it in a spray bottle. The smell of garlic is very strong and unbearable to spiders. Spray it on areas of your home where spider webs are found. The result will be effective and desirable. Eucalyptus tree. Not only eucalyptus tree, but you can also plant lavender tree underneath your house. These plants have the best odor, which is very good for humans and harsh for spiders. Citrus. Every citrus item is dangerous to spiders. Lemons, oranges or other citrus food can put to use for spider removal. Make the juice of lemon or oranges and then cover your cracked walls and other places which have become the entrance for spiders. Spiders cannot take the smell of citrus and will run away from your home. Take the help of professionals. Do not hesitate in taking the help of professional pest controllers. We at Fast Pest Control provide professional pest control services in Hobart. You will receive a 100% guaranteed result. Moreover, we are not all pricey, anyone can afford our service. So hurry up and book our service today. Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips like this.